Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. India is in full form to achieve a big name in the export business, and it is taking all possible steps towards the same. The main concentration right now is the export of missiles. We already know that many countries like Philippines, Vietnam, South Africa, Egypt were showing interest in buying the BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles. I've already uploaded a video on the same in my channel, and the link has been provided in the top right I button and also in the details section of this particular video. This video is not to discuss anything about the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, but it is to discuss the news on exporting the Akash surface-to-air missile defense systems. Recently, it was reported that the Philippines, Belarus, Malaysia, Thailand, UAE, Kenya, Algeria, Bahrain, and Vietnam have shown interest in purchasing the Akash missile systems. The good news is that on December 30, 2020, the Cabinet Committee on Security, chaired by PM Narendra Modi, cleared the exports of Akash missile defense system to friendly countries so that they can improve the strategic relationship. Just to give a quick intro on the Akash missile system, Akash is a medium-range surface-to-air missile defense system developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. Other companies which are part of this missile system production are the Bharat Dynamics Limited for the missile systems, Bharat Electronics, Tata Power Strategic Engineering Division, and L&T for the radars, control centers, and launcher systems. Now coming to the latest update regarding the export of Akash missile systems, it looks like the variant which is planned to be exported would not be the same which is being used by Indian Army and Indian Air Force. This doesn't mean the one which is being planned for export would be inferior to the one which is India uses. Even the new variant which is being planned would be equivalent to the one which is being used internally by India. So what are the changes in the export version which we can expect? If we consider the Akash missile system which is being used by India, those systems are mainly fine-tuned or enhanced for desert operations and also for high altitude. But this is something which is not going to be required for other countries since they might not be deploying them in such conditions or environments. So that is one of the change which we can look for. Now coming to the another major change which we can expect is regarding the platform in which these systems would be installed. Normally these missile systems can be integrated on both wheeled and tracked vehicles, but coming to the export variant, we need to check with the end customer on the exact platform where these systems would be installed and fulfill the same. Coming to the third major change which we can expect is the changes relevant to the security of the missile system. Just like China, which is very famous in reverse engineering or copying the technologies from other countries, India doesn't want Akash missile system to face such issues. So DRDO has to make sure unauthorized modifications and any attempts at reverse engineering of the technology is not successful. Post all the above major changes which we can expect, DRDO has to customize other things like control centers, the reloaders, the guidance and the surveillance radars along with the maintenance, repair and other logistical engineering support, and this is to be done based on customers who are going to get these systems. All the countries who are showing interest in this missile system would either ask for a demo or they might ask India to send the system for evaluation trials at their end, but nothing is confirmed as of now. Another important update which is yet to be confirmed is regarding the transfer of technology while exporting these missile systems to any of these countries. So that was a quick update on the various changes which we can expect in the new export variant of Akash missile systems. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.